There are a series of vacuum lines and actuators attached to the airbox. To access them, you will first need to remove the rear bumper cover and everything associated with that. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Once the bumper cover is removed, lift up and remove the two intercooler intake air ducts, red arrows. With the intakes removed, you can see where the actuators and lines meet at the base of the airbox, red arrows. There are three actuators, one that controls the function to the Y-pipe, and two at the base that control the diverter valves and audio functions of sport mode. To remove the Y-pipe lines, press in on the two tabs on the connector, red arrow, and pull it back and off of the pipe. Slide the actuator down and off of the mounting tab on the airbox lid, red arrow. To separate the electrical connection, press down on the wire, red arrow, and separate the connection from the actuator. When working with the lower actuators, remove the lines from the tabs in the airbox, red arrows. There is also a vacuum line connection attached to the lower right side of the air filter. It pulls straight off, red arrow. To release the electrical harness from the base of the airbox, use a set of small pliers and squeeze in on the plastic mounts and lift them out. To remove the electrical connection from the lower actuators, pull out the small tab and then press down on it, red arrow. Then pull the electrical connection off of the actuator. You can now set the wiring harness aside. It is a tight fit between the two lower actuators, red arrows. Lift up on the mounting tab, red arrow, and slide the actuator towards the center of the airbox and remove it from its mount. Some of the lines have compression clamps on them, but most can be removed by running a small pick around the line and then pulling them apart. The lines on the actuators are friction fit and can be pulled off, red arrow. It's a really good idea if you are removing everything to label things for ease of installation. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.